Hi guys, Mrs. Hanson here. I hope you had a wonderful Easter this weekend, just a wonderful time with your family. We're going to go ahead and get started on today's phonics lesson. It is lesson 140. It's page 279 to 280. So let's go ahead and jump on. Okay, first things first, let's make sure you put your name on the top of your paper, please. Put your name on top of your paper. And then the instructions say fill the word webs. So what we're going to do is look at this word, which is whisper, and we're going to do each of the things it says to do on the web. So starting on the left, it says add ed. So we are going to take whisper and make it whispered. E-R-E-D. And then it says to write an antonym. What's an antonym? It's a word that means the opposite of whisper. So you think of something. What's the opposite of whisper? Yell, shout, scream. Those would all be antonyms of whisper. You don't have to put yell. You could put your own here. All right, now we're going to add ing. So we are going to make it whispering. And then it wants us to write one special sound. So pick one special sound in the word whisper. You could have written WH or you could have written ER. Either one of those would be fine. Okay, same thing here. Using the word flower. Draw a pretty picture of a flower. You could color it if you wanted to. All right, and then it says sounds the same, a homonym. So homonyms are words that sound the same, but they mean something different. So another type of flower. How do you think that could be spelt? F-L-O-U-R, flower. This flower is the kind that you use for baking, right? So that's a homonym. They sound the same, flower, flower, but this flower means something for baking, and this flower that's a pretty flower, right? Right, one special sound. There are three, so you could choose one. Choose one special sound. You could have written F-L, O-W, or E-R. Either one of those would work. And then a rhyming word. Rhyming word. So flower, you could put power, tower, anything that rhymes with flower. All right, moving on to the dictation. You're going to write the full sentence. All right, write the full sentence. The sentence is, don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. Don't cry over spilled milk. All right, I'm going to write it. If you're not done yet, go ahead and just pause the video, and then you can check your answer when you're done. Don't cry over spilled milk. Period. Now, this is an expression that people say, don't cry over spilled milk. It means like, don't get upset over something that's tiny or that doesn't, in the grand scheme of things, isn't that big of a deal, right? If you spill a glass of milk, not a big deal, not worth the tears, all right? Just an expression that people use. Okay, go ahead and turn your page over. I'm going to go over the instructions with you so you know what to do on the seat work side of your paper, okay? So number 1 says underline the root word and circle the suffix. So let's do powerful together. What's the root word? What's the main word in powerful? power, and then the suffix is the ending. So full is the suffix. So you're going to underline the root word, circle the suffix. All right. Number 2 says choose one of the words in the box. So you're going to choose one of these words and write an interrogative sentence. What's an interrogative sentence? It ends with a question mark. So you're writing a question. Number 3 says do the same thing, but do a declarative sentence. So you're choosing a word in the box, writing a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence ends with a period. This is a statement or a plain old sentence, right? So question, and then just a regular sentence. Number 4 says circle the best word in each sentence. My advice to you here is read. Read through it using each word. So Carl did a gooder job on his arithmetic paper this week, or Carl did a better job on his arithmetic paper this week. You can hear which one sounds correct, right? It should be better. So read the sentence with both words to see what one sounds better. And then number 5 says, think about you and your friend. How are you the same? How are you different? Fill in the diagram with some of your answers. So this Venn diagram is just like we did about the paper we did last week with the alligators and crocodiles. You're going to write a couple things. So let's put 3. 1, 2, 3. Put 3 things how you guys are different, and then put 3 things how you are the same. Okay, so 3 things that you guys both like to do, and then 3 things that you like to do that maybe your friend doesn't like to do, and vice versa, okay? All right, you guys, that's it for today's phonics lesson. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll talk with you later. Bye-bye.